Hi kids, today we are going to make some Copycat Texas Roadhouse rolls. So here I have 1 cup of warm milk and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'm going to go in with 1 package of yeast. We're going to let this all get happy for about 10 minutes and we'll go from there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add this to our stand mixer. Get all the goods in here.
She actually let that set for 8 to 10 minutes.
I did. Did well.
Let it start activating.
And then now I'm going to go in with half of my flour, which is 3 cups.
Half of it by 1.5 cups.
Yes. I'll go in and, well, you have to plug it in, kids. It doesn't work otherwise. And now I'm going to go in with 1 egg. A little bit faster.
She went in with the rest of it.
I did. And now I'm going to go in with 3 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to let this knead about 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, kids, look at this beautiful dough. As my mama used to say, it's like spanking a baby's bottom.
She's beautiful.
She's beautiful. So we're going to put it in this bowl. She's going to take a nap for about an hour.
She's going to put it in the oven with the oven off, but the light on.
Correct.
Yep. See you shortly.
Hi, kids. So our dough has rose beautifully. We're going to punch it down. Look at that.
This is after 1 hour.
1 hour.
Just sitting in the oven.
We're going to roll this out. And I'll show you that in just a second. Flour. Beautiful dough. Okay, kids, so I have this all rolled out. It's not perfect, but it's made with love. So we're going to go and I'm going to cut these about, I guess, like this. Like that.
Yep.
4 of them like this. And then I'm going to go in and go this way. Go this way.
Perfect. What size pan you got there, G?
I have a full sheet pan here, and we're just going to lay these
on the parchment paper.
On the parchment paper, and they have 1 more rise to go.
Yep.
Oh man, guys, this dough feels absolutely beautiful. Definitely a good recipe to follow.
So it won't be in a ball. They're going to be in like squares. We'll see how they might turn out just like the buns. You never know.
I hope so.
Yeah, they do.
I normally
I'm looking
make the
forward to
balls.
these.
Me too.
If y'all like the Texas Roadhouse rolls, you'll like these. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Thanks again for taking your time to view our videos.
Yes, sir. All right, let's get over. Okay, so what I've decided to do, I'm going to try a little bit different. I'm going to pull them and just press them back on themselves.
There you go. Pull them. Fold them over, they'll still rise.
And they will still rise.
Absolutely. Now, they're going to go right back in the oven with the light on?
Yes, sir.
Not the oven on, but just the light.
Just the light for another good rise. I like to leave them about a good 30 to 45 minutes.
On the second rise?
Yes, sir.
Already. So hour on the first rise, 30 to 45 minutes on the second rise.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. And we'll see what they look like here shortly.
Can't wait.
Thanks, y'all.
Oops.
Yep.
Here we go, kids. We have 1 stick of butter that I have softened in the microwave. It's going in my mixer. Sorry.
We're actually making the cinnamon butter
Yes.
just like at Texas Roadhouse for our buns.
I have a 1/4 cup packed of brown sugar. And I have 1/3 cup of powdered sugar.
Oh, yeah.
How can this be bad, right?
And we don't know if that's what they use, but
And-
that's what we use. We're making it with love.
Yep. Going in with some cinnamon.
Bunch of cinnamon.
All right.
Whip that up.
Yes, sir. Oh, the smell of that.
It smells hot.
Okay, kids, this smells so good. I'm going back in with another third of a stick of butter. Why not?
Why not? Cinnamon butter, everything. What do we got? Look at there.
Yummy.
And you can add or subtract as much cinnamon as you want. Or
Yes, sir.
it looks just like it, really. And I'm sitting here wondering, the doctor called me today with my blood results and told me my cholesterol's high. I wonder why.
Can't imagine why, I guess.
Cholesterol, blood pressure. I mean, this is just a...
So, what we're going to do with this butter,
cinnamon butter.
we're going to put this in the fridge.
And let it cool while our bread is in the oven, rising.
We will show you everything when...
Check out that video with the bread.
Yum. Have a good day, kids.
Thanks, y'all. Stay blessed, not stressed. Alrighty, kids.
Look at here.
Look at that.
Nice and puffy.
Alright, that's after the second
Rise. And we're going to put them in. The oven set at 375.
375.
I'm going to put them in for 15 to 20 minutes, but I'm going to turn my oven down to 350.
Okay.
Okay?
So you preheated the oven to 375.
Yes, sir. And
Now
that-
you're going to put them in the oven, turn it down to 350 for how long?
For the 15, 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes.
sir.
Perfect. All right, ladies and gentlemen, after 15 minutes at 350
Oh, boy.
degrees. Look
Look
at
at
them
this.
out there.
Woohoo.
If you've ever been to Texas Roadhouse, I'm telling you. Now
Oh.
she's going to put a little butter over the top.
Just a little, guys. Just a
little
bit.
butter to
Just a
make
little
them
bit.
glistening. Then we got our cinnamon butter in the refrigerator.
And I'm not going to butter all of these.
No, why? They don't. I mean, but
You don't have to.
they look a lot like they're
Ooh,
beautiful.
they look
Boy, you talk
really
about smelling good.
Ooh,
We
smells like
wish-
you just walked into the steakhouse.
Yeah, the
Oh, my
steakhouse. We
goodness.
sure wish y'all was here to try it, boy.
I
We sure give you
can't
one.
wait for the kids and grandkids.
We really didn't
taste
need to learn
these.
this.
No.
My cholesterol high.
No, we really did not, Papa.
Absolutely.
Oh boy.
Ooh, good golly, Miss Molly.
Ooh, sweet Jesus.
Man, we wish y'all was here to try
Look how
this.
fluffy, y'all.
I'm telling you, it's turned out great. Y'all give this a try.
Well, this is
It's super
definitely...
easy. It's the first time we ever done it.
It is. Yeah. I didn't want to say that, but it is.
Well, it is. Very first time we ever done it. It's super easy. If we can do it, y'all can do it. Please give it a try.
Ready?
Try it, G. Well,
Oh my gosh. Oh, y'all.
that's it good.
Oh my gosh. Here,
Awesome.
Papa.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, we appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to watch our videos. Y'all have a blessed evening. Come back and see us.
Bye, kids. Love you.